Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain continuation of our Karnataka part 2. Already in previous class I explained about the Karnataka Kalburgi division. So it is one of the division of Karnataka. So in this lesson we learn about the what are the districts in Kalburgi divisions and what are the historical importance of Kalburgi division, and also how did the Hyderabad Karnataka liberated from the Hyderabad Nizam. So and these are all the things we learn in this lesson, understood. So in this, and also we learn about the natural resources about Kalburgi division. So I will continue this lesson with what are the important forest area and wildlife in Kalburgi division, and what were the occupations of Kalburgi, what type of industries, what type of agriculture, which are the important crops go in Kalburgi division, and also we learn about the art and literature, music, folklore, theatre and dance, and Vachana Sahitya. So these are all the important things we learn today, understood. So now in today we learn about the what are the forest and wildlife in Karnataka. What are the forest? This division means Kalburgi division is the forest deficit division. It is a deficit means it is very ಕಡಿಮೆ ತುಂಬ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ಸ್, ದೇ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ shortage of forest you see in this division. Deficit means kadime. So in this division is forest deficit division. There are no big and wild animals here. Only langur, deer, fox, bear, wolf, wild dogs are found in this division because it has a deficit division. Which is the deficit division? Kalburgi division. The Darozi Bihar Sanctuary is in Bellary, and these are there in the Raichur districts. So these are all the important sanctuaries and in Kalburgi division, especially in Bellary districts. So next you learn about what are the answer. There is answer, some questions also given. Write the names of any two major rivers in this division. Which are the important rivers in this division? Tungabhadra and Krishna. Write the names of few wild animals found in this division. Which are the important wild animals? Langur, deer, fox, bear, wolf, wild dogs. Understood? Name the any two persons who fought against the Nizam of Hyderabad. So who are the important fighter, freedom struggler fight against the Nizam of Hyderabad? That is Sardar Sarangauda Imandar, Shivamurti Allavandi, Shiruru Veerabhadrappa, Prabhuraja and Patil Sangala. These are all the important fight against the Nizam of Hyderabad. Name which are the important crops grown in this division. The important crops in this division, which are the important crops? Paddy. So the important crops these divisions are major crop paddy and sugar cane, and also asgram, cotton, foxtail millet and pulses. Which are the important crops grown divisions here? Paddy, sugar cane, asgram and foxtail millet and cotton. These are all the important crops. So next you learn about the agriculture and industries in Kalburgi division. What type of agriculture they do? What is the importance of agriculture and also industries? So agriculture is the main occupation in this division. The average rainfall is less. Crops are grown according to the rains. As the average rainfall is less, the division of prone droughts often. Hence, the district of these divisions are called drought-prone districts. Iron and steel industries, sugar industries, cement industries and thermal power industries are the major industries of this division. These have provided employment to the people here. The Bidar, art of Bidar is very famous. Bellary and Koppal are the largest iron and steel industries. Similarly, Yadgiri and Kalburgi gave huge cement industries. The tourism of this place is slowly picking up. Hampi, Tungabhadra Dam, Sannati of Kalaburgi district, Kwaza Bande Darwaja of Darga, the fort of Bidar, Basava Kalyana, Hatti gold mines of Raichur are the major tourist centers of this division. Hatti gold mine in Raichur district produced the highest gold in India. What do you understand about agriculture and industries? ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಅಂದರೆ ದ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ಜನರ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಆಕ್ಯುಪೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ರೈನ್ಫಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಲೆಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರೋನ್ ಟು ದ ರೇನ್ಗೆ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಳೆ ತುಂಬ ಆವ್ರೇಜ್ ರೈನ್ಫಾಲ್ ತುಂಬ ಲೆಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಆಗಾಗ ಫ್ರೋನ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಕಂಡು ಬರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಈ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸನ್ನು ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಡ್ರಾಟ್ ಫೋನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಕಾಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್? ಡ್ರಾಟ್ ಫ್ರೋನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಐರನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೀಲ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಇದೆ, ಶುಗರ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ, ಸಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಥರ್ಮಲ್ ಪವರ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಮೇಜರ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್. ದೀಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡೆಡ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ದೀಸ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಟು ದ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಇಯರ್. ಸೋ ಮೇ ಥೌಸಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ employ in this area. The Bidar is one of the division of Kalburgi division. It is also it is a very famous for Bidar Hat. So Ballari and Koppal is also larger iron and steel industries. Yadgiri and Kalburgi use cement industries. So and slowly pick up the Hampi, Tungabhadra Dam, Sannati, Kalaburgi district, Kwaza Bande Darwaza, the fort of Bidar, Basava Kalyana and Hatti Gold. Iವೆಲ್ಲ important historical places in Kalburgi division. Understood? So there are some question answers are given. I give the answers for all these questions. Name the important industries in Kalburgi divisions. Which are the important industries? Iron and steel industry is the very important industry and also cement industry. Which industry of Kalburgi division have iron ore deposit? Bellary and Koppal. Name the famous Dargah of Kalburgi division. What is the Dargah in Kalburgi division? Kwaza Bande Nawaz Dargah is the famous. That means Kwaza Bande Nawaz Dargah is the famous Dargah in Kalburgi division. Which is the major industry in Kalburgi division? Which is the major industry? That means Kalburgi division has a major tourist gold mines. Hatti gold mine is the very important division in this area. Understood? So there is a fill in the blanks also given. There is a gold mine in dash of this division. There is a gold mine in Hatti of this division. Ballari district has dash wildlife sanctuary. Which is the important wildlife sanctuary? That is the Darozi Bear wildlife sanctuary is in Ballari district. Understood? Next you learn about what do you learn? Next you learn literature, art, literature, music, folklore, theatre and dance of this division. So though the division is poor economically, this division is very economically poor. So it is a rich in literature, music, folklore, dance and other aspects. The history of literature of Kalburgi division is extended to the ancient times as well. We should not forget the first literary work in Kannada. Kaviraja Marga was written during the reign of Rashtrakutas. The Adikavi Pampa wrote Vikramarjuna Vijaya under the patronage of King Arikesari. The three gems of Kannada literature, Pampa, Ponna, Ranna, are from this division. The writer of the first grammar book, Shabdamani Darpana, that is which was the first grammar book in Kannada, Shabdamani Darpana, and Keshirajas is the for this division. Understood? So art and literature ge ee division to the division of poor economically, it is a very rich in literature, music, folklore, dance and other aspects. ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಸಹ ಫೋಕ್ಲೋರ್, ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅದರ್ ಆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಮಳೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆದರೂ ಪೂರ್ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕಲ್ ಆದರೂ ಇದಕ್ಕೇನು ಕೊರತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಬುರಗಿ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ನು ಏನ್ಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಟೈಮಿಂದನೂ ತನ್ನದೇ ಆದಂಥ ಲಿಟ್ರರಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲಿಟ್ರರಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಅಂತ ನೀವೇನು ಕರಿತೀರಾ? ಕವಿರಾಜ ಮಾರ್ಗ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ division. So it was written by Rashtrakutas, and also Adi Kavi Pampa wrote Vikramarjuna Vijaya under the patronage of King Arikesari. Vikramarjuna Vijaya burde Kavi Pampa avadantaha Vikramarjuna Vijaya. It is very important book for Kannadigas. It was written by Arikesari, and there are three gems also in Kannada literature, Pampa, Ranna and Ponna are the famous for this division. The writers of first grammar book ಶಬ್ದಮಣಿ ದರ್ಪಣ ಕೇಶಿರಾಜ ಬರೆದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ವಿಚ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರಾಮರ್ ಬುಕ್? ಶಬ್ದಮಣಿ ದರ್ಪಣ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಕೇಶಿರಾಜ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ division. Understood? Next, that is another one is Vachana movement is took place in this division. It is a very famous in Karnataka history. The leading social reform movements of 12th century Karnataka, the Vachana movement took place in Kalyana of Kalburgi division. Many Vachanakaras like Basavanna, Allama Prabhu, Ankama Devi, Jedara Dasimaya, Siddharama are the Kalburgi divisions. Vachana movement launched a war against the untouchability. Many men and women were belonged to suppressed the castes wrote vachanas as part of this movement. Understood? They leading to the Vachana movement is very important social reform in this division. Yes, Vachana movement in Kalyana. Where it is took place? In Kalyana. There are so many Vachanakaras, Basavanna, Allama Prabhu, Akkama Devi, Jedarama, Dasimaya, Siddharama or Kalburgi divisionಗೆ ಸೇರಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ವಚನಕಾರರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ವಚನ ಮೂಮೆಂಟನ್ನು? ಇಟ್ ಲಾಂಚ್ಡ್ ಎ ವಾರ್ ಅಗೇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಅನ್ಟಚಬಿಲಿಟಿ. ಮೆನಿ ಮೆನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವುಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಹೂ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ ಟು ಸಪ್ರೆಸ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಸ್ಟ್ ರೋಟ್ ವಚನಾಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಯು ಲರ್ನ್ in this. And also Dasa Sahitya is also one of the important contribution of this division. Raichur district of Kalburgi division, a land of Dasa Sahitya. Dasana Kota was formed under the leadership of Sri Vaishyaraya. It rejected the concept of fame and sacred. Kirtanas were written by Kanakadasa, Purandaradasa, Raghavendra Tirtha. They criticized the caste system in their Kirtanas. They also criticized the ego emerged out by money-mindedness. So it is also one of the important ದಾಸ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ ಇನ್ ಕಲಬುರಗಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಅನೇಕ ದಾಸ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯಗಳು ಈ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು? ಕನಕದಾಸರು, ಪುರಂದರದಾಸರು, ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ ತೀರ್ಥರು. ಇವರು ಕ್ಯಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್, ಅಂದಿನ ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಕ್ಯಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮನ್ನು ತಮ್ಮ ಕೀರ್ತನೆಗಳ ಮೂಲಕ ಅದನ್ನು ಕ್ರಿಟಿಸೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ವಿಮರ್ಶೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೆದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಮೈಂಡೆಡ್ನೆಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರೆದಂತಹ ಸಮಾಜವನ್ನು ಈಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿಯನ್ನು ತರುವುದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಅನೇಕ ದಾಸರು ತಮ್ಮ ಸರಳವಾದ ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ದಾಸ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯವನ್ನು ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಲರ್ನ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೆಸನ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್? ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಲರ್ನ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟುಡೇ? ವಿ ಲರ್ನ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಅದರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ Kalburgi district. In before class we learn about the history, districts, natural resource of Kalburgi region. Today we learn about the forest, wildlife, agriculture and industries, and also literature, music, folklore, theatre and dance, and Vachana Sahitya and also Dasa Sahitya in Kalburgi district. Understood? So these are all the important things we learn in this lesson. In next class I will continue. Till now, take care. Goodbye.